Whether you're running a retail store, a small boutique, a busy cafe, or even a temporary pop-up shop, Zoho POS helps you handle daily transactions smoothly and deliver fast, seamless checkout experiences to your customers. The very first step is to visit Zoho's official website, zoho.com. Before you can use any Zoho application, including Zoho POS, you will need to create your account. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward. Click the Sign Up button and fill in the required information. If you want to save time, you can sign up using your Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account, which makes the registration process much faster. Once your account is ready, head to your dashboard and click on Access Your Apps. If Zoho POS isn't visible immediately, scroll down until you see the I'm looking for section. Use the search bar, type POS or point of sale, and Zoho will show you the correct application. You'll see an option to start your 15-day free trial. Click Access App Template, and Zoho will begin loading and preparing your POS dashboard. Click Continue while it sets everything up. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection because the setup requires online syncing. If you experience delays or loading issues, try using a VPN. Sometimes it helps Zoho apps load faster depending on your region. Once the dashboard loads, you will be asked to enter your store name. For example, test or sample. You can add your store name, phone number, email address, and home address. Completing this step is important as it helps provide better connectivity for your account. Once you've entered all the details, simply click on the Submit button. If you prefer not to add this information, you can click the X button to skip this step. After that, Zoho will load the main interface. The dashboard is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. From experience, the layout is very intuitive, especially for beginners. The admin dashboard is the command center of Zoho POS. It displays everything important in one place: sales analytics, employee productivity, store performance summaries, and inventory levels. You can configure core settings, manage your team members, organize product lists, and access real-time insights to help guide business decisions. You can also see most sold products here as well. Since this is a new setup, the numbers will be empty for now. You can also switch between different device views, including web, mobile, and tablet previews, to see how your POS will appear across different screens. Next is the stock section, where you manage all your inventory. Now there is a stock section in this, and you can add your stock by simply clicking on Add Stock. Here you have to enter your barcode. This can be any code you use. After that, set your cost price, then select your product. If you don't have any product added yet, click on Add Product, and a new window will pop up. In this window, you need to select your product name, product weight, and product category. If you don't have any category, simply click Add Category to create your own. Then you can add your vendor's information. Once you click on that, a form will appear where you have to enter the vendor details. After completing that, you can set your selling price, and finally, you can set the quantity as well. Once your inventory is added, Zoho allows you to track current stock levels, view low stock or out-of-stock items, and even transfer stock between different store locations. This section is extremely helpful if you manage multiple branches or frequently restock items. The billing section is where your day-to-day transactions happen. Here you can create new invoices, choose invoice dates, add or select customers, scan barcodes for quick checkout, apply taxes, and choose payment modes including cash, card, UPI, and more. This is the interface your cashiers and sales teams will use during customer checkout. The customer section helps you build and maintain customer relationships. You can create and edit customer profiles, track purchase history, add loyalty points, and send receipts or promotional messages through email or SMS. This makes marketing easier and helps you understand your customers better. Next is the discount section, which allows you to manage all your pricing strategies. You can set the discount date range, select the discount type, choose products, and apply specific discount percentages. Zoho POS supports item-level discounts, bill-level discounts, time-based promotions, and customer group-based discounts. This gives you full flexibility when running sales or special events. You can also create product-specific discount rules for more targeted pricing control. After setting up your products, customers, and payment settings, you can return to the POS admin area to edit the application design, adjust workflows, and customize the system further. To do this, simply click on the Edit this application option at the top right corner. And this will take you to your customization area where you can adjust settings according to your choice. Now, once you are here, you will see the Design section, where you can access and change the admin panel layout. You will also see the Stock section, where you can add new stock, view current stock, check out-of-stock items, and view all products. There is also a Workflow section, and if you click on it, you will be taken directly to your workflow page. Workflows allow you to automate repetitive processes, for example, automatically assigning tasks, adding cashiers, organizing categories, or triggering certain actions when sales occur. This results in smoother daily operations and saves time for your staff. Then there is Schedule section. The Schedule section in Zoho POS allows you to automatically run or send reports at predefined times or intervals. Instead of manually exporting data every day or week, you can set up a schedule so that chosen reports are generated and delivered by email regularly, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Now, if you go to the Approval section, you can create your new workflow by simply clicking on Create Workflow. This will take you to a new page where you first have to select what you want to add. For example, you can choose Add Cashier, then enter a name for your workflow, choose Run this process, and after that, click on Create Workflow. Your new workflow will be created instantly. Then there is Payments, shows and manages all payment methods and transactions linked to your POS system. Blueprints allows you to create step-by-step process flows that control how tasks move through your POS system. Patch Workflow lets you update or modify existing workflows without recreating them from scratch. Report for Workflow generates reports that show how your workflows are performing and where improvements are needed. Functions enables you to add custom automation or logic using Deluge scripts to enhance POS operations. Once everything is configured, you can access the main POS interface again from your dashboard. Simply click on this Access Application button, and you will be revert to this page. If you feel that Zoho POS fits your business needs, you can click the Upgrade button in the top right corner to view available plans. Standard Plan. Ideal for small businesses or startups, this plan offers core POS features such as sales management, inventory tracking, customer management, and basic reporting. Professional Plan. Suited for growing businesses, it includes all standard plan features plus advanced inventory management, multi-outlet support, enhanced reporting, and additional automation options. Enterprise Plan. Designed for large businesses, this plan provides all professional plan features with unlimited inventory, multiple outlets, full workflow automation, detailed analytics, and priority support. Pricing options include standard at $8, professional at $20, and enterprise at $25 per month, depending on the level of features your business requires. Zoho POS offers a clean interface and powerful tools perfect for retail stores, cafes, pop-ups, and growing businesses. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.